Hi, welcome to another video today. So let's get started with our quote of the day. It's going to be Obadiah chapter 1 verse 15. The day of the Lord is near for all nations. As you have done, it will be done to you. Your deeds will return upon your own head. Okay, so that's our quote of the day. And the topic today is managing multiple remote sessions. Alright, so let's get started. So when managing multiple remote sessions in PowerShell, you can use a combination of new PS session and invoke command and enter PS session. So these commandlets, they allow you to establish, interact. You can do interactive or manage multiple remote sessions. You could handle them more efficiently. So let's get started with our example. So let's open our PowerShell. Alright, so first, you could also put this in a script if you want to write it to a file as well. So computers, and we could put so first computer. Now the other two computers, I think they're offline, so but I'm just going to add them to the list. So I'll add a second one here. Okay, so we got two computers there. Alright, so let me just do a write host on two computers to make sure I did this correctly. Alright, so it came up as a list, which is what we wanted. Alright, so the next part is we want to have the session. So the session variable, that's where you're going to hold the array of computer remote sessions. And so let's going to create a sessions variable. And this is where we're using our new PS session. Okay. And now instead of putting the computer name there, this is where we're going to use our computers variable. Alright, and now I did forget to put in the you could have declared your cred variable if you watched our video from either yesterday or the day before. The credential, you could either set it interactively here, or you could set it to your your cred variable. But this way, if you're going through each of the computers, it will prompt you every time. So let's try that. Alright, so just to walk over the script, we declared our computers variable with this list here, and for each session it'll open the sessions variable. Okay, and then now we could actually, so let's run this. So this will get us our computers in their sessions. Alright, so it's prompting us. Okay, so that's normal because the second machine, that's not online. So that's why we got that error. So let me do it again, and then let's see if the error action could handle that. Okay, so either way, it created the sessions variable, so it is holding our sessions right now. And what we could do is now we could invoke a command for all those sessions. But right now it's only one that's in there. But if we had multiple successful logins, then it would have worked fine. So we're going to use our invoke command. Then you do the session parameter, and then we call our sessions variable. Okay. And then from there, we do our script block. And then we're going to do get service. And we might get an error for the second machine, but so let's do that error action. Alright, so let's see how this works. So you can see it hit the first machine and it didn't go to the second machine because that machine is not online and it didn't add it to the session. But just to give you an idea, so as you can see, the invoke command, we declare the sessions variable, which would have all our so it logged in with the so the sessions that would specify holding in the holding the variables in there, holding the the sessions for each machine on the list. So that's like an open interactive session with the first computer in the sessions array. And when you finish that one, you could do like exit PS session, and then you could do the next one, and so on and so on. So that's pretty much it. So you could try it out if you have multiple machines, and it will definitely work. So yeah, so that's it for our video showing you how to do multiple sessions. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And we're going to close with the quote of the day, which is Obadiah chapter 1 verse 15. The day of the Lord is near for all nations. As you have done, it will be done to you. Your deeds will return upon your own head. Alright, so don't forget to read your Bible, and if you're not going to church, try to find a good Bible-based church, and I'll see you in the next video.